If you got 35 minutes and some dumplings, you are about to eat good. Clean hands, seasoned soul. Now let's get into this recipe. First, you want to start off with a 13 by 9 pan. You want to get you some coconut milk, pour that in your pan. You're going to do everything in this one pan. Some chili garlic sauce, some harissa. You're going to also use some ginger. You're going to also use some curry powder. Curry is going to make this taste so good. Some black garlic. You're also going to use some cilantro, some miso. I like to season my food good, y'all, so it's nice and flavorful. You also want to use some red curry, some nutritional yeast that's going to make it taste cheesy. You're going to use some vegetable stock as well. And then you're going to use some aminos. Stir that all together. You want to mix it well. Mix it until it's all combined. And then you're going to add your garlic. I like to use whole garlic. Yes, I'm going to use that much. I sure am. That much. You're also going to cut up some onions. Put some onions in there and some baby bok choy. Make sure y'all are washing y'all vegetables off. Ain't nothing like making a recipe and y'all got some dirty vegetables. Don't be a little dirty, okay? Put in some kale, and you also want to use these plant-based dumplings. These have 7 grams of protein in it. I also like to use the plant-based vegetable kimchi dumplings as well. We're going to add the sherry wine to the mixture that we have here on the side. This is the same mixture that we used in the beginning. You're going to pour that all over your dumplings and then cover with foil. You want to put this in the oven on 375 degrees for about 35 minutes. And when this thing come out, y'all, it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Now, this is my bowl. So I like to make my bowls how I like my bowls. And I like my bowls nice and healthy, okay? But I also got a little surprise for y'all because on the side, I was cooking a little bit of steak. I was cooking that steak to perfection so I can show y'all how you put it on this dumpling bowl. And then I also decided to saute some shrimp as well. You never had a dumpling bowl like this, baby. I'm here to tell you. And then you also want to take the rest of those drippings and drip it across the shrimp and the steak because you want this thing to be flavorful. You also want to go in for another scoop because I need some of that bok choy, the garlic, and the onions. I need that onion to drip across that steak like that. It's a praise dance because this thing going to be so good. And sometimes you just got to go back for more drippings because, look, this is my bowl and I'm going to eat it how I want to eat it. Sometimes you got to step back and just say, that look good. I use a little sesame seed oil as well. And I also added some crunchy chili. You know it's going to be good when you start dancing. Hey, bow, bow, bow. Hey, hey, hey. Taste test. Ooh, I know it's going to be good. Y'all think I should have got a spoon? Side note, remove foil for the last 5 minutes and switch to low broil for golden dumplings. This broth is so good. Until we meet again, stay locked and stay seasoned. Ooh.